Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and try on the Uniqlo Men Light Blocktech hooded coat. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So in this packet is a Uniqlo Men Light Blocktech hooded coat. This one is an olive and in size small. Now let's go ahead and open up the packet by, of course, tearing apart the sticky tape. And sliding the coat out from its clear plastic bag, and of course making sure that we reuse or recycle or dispose of the clear plastic bag thoughtfully and keeping it away from babies, children and animals. And of course here we have the Uniqlo Men Light Blocktech hooded coat in a size small and an olive. So taking a look up close at the details of this hooded coat, you can see that it does come with some hang tags. So taking a close-up look at the hang tags and its details right there. So it does feature Blocktech, which is a water repellent coating. And of course the care instructions as well, giving you a close-up look. So it is made from 100% nylon. Just giving you a look at the care labels as well. For this Blocktech hooded coat. And now, taking a look at this coat, so we can see that it is very light in weight. And let's remove the paper packaging to the side. So as you can see, on the inside there is some grey, lightweight, laminated lining. And let's undo the buttons. So we can see that it does have studs as well as a zipper to secure. And giving you a close-up look at the details. So right there are some of the labels as well as the size and place of manufacture in Bangladesh. Of course taking a look at the inner product label as well, or garment label. And it does come with a storage pouch or carry pouch. And let's remove the storage pouch or carry pouch. Okay, so I'm struggling a little bit here to understand how this pouch is fastened onto the coat itself. But nonetheless, let's just leave it for now. and take a look at the coat itself. So we can see seeing the inside with its grey lining, and on the outside, of course, with the olive green outer design. Right there, giving you a look at its overall details and its hood as well. So, being a hooded coat, and giving you a look at the sleeve as well. So at the cuff, there is a hook and loop adjustable opening right there. And for the pockets, it does have simple opening pockets on one side. And let's take a look at the opposite side. So same thing on the opposite side with the pocket right there. And now taking a look at the back of this coat. Just a simple flat back. And you can see that the coat does have a slight satin sheen to its nylon material. And of course giving you a look at the details of the hood. It does have a toggle adjuster. With an elastic band. And in terms of the vents, there are no vents that I can see on this coat. It has a fully closed design with, of course, the Blocktech water repellent coating, as well as UV cut technology to minimize UV ray or UV rays from penetrating into or through the coat. Now let's go ahead and try it on. So panning the camcorder up. So giving you a look at the coat. So the Uniqlo men lightweight Blocktech hooded coat in a small and olive color. So trying it on, I do have a 38-inch chest and 33.5-inch shirt sleeve length. And of course, right there giving you a look as to the overall fitment on my body. So once again, 38-inch chest on myself and a 33.5-inch shirt sleeve length. Of course, we do have a hood as well. So right there giving you a look as to the hood design. and being made from nylon, it is very lightweight. And of course the pouch is still attached on the inside of the coat. Nonetheless, give you a look overall. You like Huey Lewis and the News? Or is that a raincoat? And let's of course pop the tags on the inside if I can. So there, once again, giving you as many perspectives as I can of this Uniqlo men lightweight Blocktech hooded coat. So that's the Uniqlo Men Lightweight Blocktech Hooded Coat. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!